Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we are going to learn how to draw a front view, top view, left hand side view and development of a cylinder of a base diameter 50 mm and axis height 60 mm. Resting on its base on HP, its axis is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. See, we have to draw a cylinder of diameter 50 mm and axis height 60 mm, which is resting on its base on HP, horizontal plane, and this is vertical plane. Right? Axis is perpendicular to HP. When you see observer from here, see, we'll draw XY. So in top view you will see circle, and in front view you will see rectangle. This is front view. This is top view. Now if I want to draw side view, then I'll take 45 degree. I'll extend this line. This is side view. So if you're done with front view, top view, side view. Now if you see development, when you open it, this is how it will look. So the length is pi d. So people say pi d or 2 pi r, both are same. So we need to find out pi d and we need to draw it over here. We draw vertical line and then extend length equals to 2 pi r. So this way we can do development. So 2 into 22 by 7 into radius, which is 25. So whatever value comes, that you will put it over here. So I hope you people have understood front view, top view, side view and development. Thank you.